100. Everyone, my name is Mila. First, actually, we're only few when we started this product. I always love it, Sister Marla. I said, oh, what's that kind of product? I said like that all the time. But then, when she conducted a meeting, when she came from Philippines, my husband, only me, my husband, and only 3 friends of ours are there. And then my husband said, okay, just give me. But first, we didn't sign up anything. We just refused her. And every time she conduct meeting, we're there. But I'm not listening with this kind of product because really for me, I never believe with this herbal, any herbal thing or whatever it is. I said, oh no, it's only doctor. It's only God can help me. Then my husband has something like an ulcer, or it's hard to give food for him. He took this one and he observed for this. He asked Sister Myra how to take this one, and because I want him to gain weight as well. And he took this one. Now he always eat, and with his kind of work, he's working in a field. He said he's very energetic, and his ulcer, I think he never come. No, his ulcer never come back. I think he said, oh, this is a good product, and now he's taking this now regularly. And then for me, for curiosity, I said, why man they taking this one now? Without my husband's knowledge, I took this product as well. I said, okay, I'll try. And then I'll try and absorb for 1 week. And it's helped my intestine as well for my urinating. It's very regular and very fluid, very clean. As well as my constipation is gone as well. I think the SLG worked for me very well now. That I said, Sister Mara, oh, it's good, fantastic. Thank you.